Hello, welcome to our channel for rprogramming. In this video, we will show how to use scales in ggplot2 in R. So in ggplot function, scale is used to modify default scaling such as checkmark labels, and axis labels, or specifies the colors used to represent the labels of a categorical variable. So for example, in this function, ggplot will plot the years variable and salary variables relationship from data frame income, and int AES color, shape, line type for the gender, which means we will use for different colors for different gender observations, female or male. Then afterwards, the 0 point scatter plot figure with the specified options and a smooth line. Then we add scale X continuous. We set the breaks for X labels and Y continuous for the breaks for the Y variables. Then we set the color menu for showing different colors for the label for the female and the male. And as this example, in addition to setting in the previous example, we also set the labels equals scale libraries dollar function, so which will add a dollar symbol for the y-axis. So next we will show how to perform these operations in RStudio. So first, we load the library ggplot2. Then we create a data frame from reading a CSV file from working directory and set several variables as fact type. Then in the first example, we use ggplot function for the data income, the mapping with the AES between years and salary, colors for the gender, shape gender, and the line type gender, which means different gender, female, male, will have different colors for color, shape, line type for the curve. Then we'll create scatter plot with the alpha 0.7 and the size 1.5 for the scatter plot. Then with a smooth line with linear regression type. Then scale X continuous breaks with 0 to 60 with 10 for the gap. And scale Y has a similar setting. Then scale color menu with 2 colors for the female and the male. Then in the end, we add a seam for the black and white. So this figure shows 2 scatter plot lines for the female and the male. Female and male with different color, shape, and size. Then scale for the X and Y axis for different range and gap. So next example, we will add a dollar sign for the Y axis. First, you have to load scale library, and you have to install it if you have not done yet. Then ggplot with the same mapping, point, smooth line, scale X continuous and scale Y continuous. So inside the scale Y continuous, we set label equals scales double colon for the dollar. So this figure shows same as the last example with dollar symbol for y-axis. And you can also download source files from this GitHub link, and more videos will be uploaded later on YouTube soon. Thanks for watching and subscribing our channel.